Hello everyone, welcome back to another video from Gaming Basics. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to sign in to Scrabble Go with Apple ID. So without further ado, let's get straight into the video. First of all, go ahead and open the Scrabble Go application from your app drawer. Once you load up the application, and after you end up in this main home page, go ahead and tap on your profile picture at the top left hand corner. Now, from your profile page, tap on the gear button at the top right hand corner, which will then open up your profile settings. To sign in to Scrabble Go with Apple ID, you'll need to go ahead and tap on this sign in button right under the Apple logo right next to the Contacts tab. Now, go ahead and select your Apple ID from the list and tap on Continue. Wait for a few seconds and you will be signed in to your Apple ID with Scrabble. You might also need to enter your sign-in credentials for your Apple ID, so make sure to know your credentials correct and you will be able to connect to Scrabble Go with Apple. Pretty easy, isn't it? So that is how it can be easily done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you again in the next video. Goodbye till then.